Did you know that it takes the average shopper at least 6 visits to an app or a mobile website, searching at least 3 different categories before they check out? I think we all know this from our own shopping behavior. People move between websites and apps constantly, but it's not always a seamless experience. My biggest pet peeve is when I go and click on a website and it doesn't bring me automatically to the app that I'm already signed in and have on my phone. It drives me nuts. Like, come on, it's 2019. I'd love if somebody could make it easier. Well, the Google mobile team is doing just that. It's time for another Under the Hood of app deep linking and measurement.
User journeys are getting more complex, and that means that advertisers have more and more destinations that they need to think about serving their customers on.
The line between mobile website and apps is blurring. And consumers today with mobile expect fast and precise responses to what they're trying to achieve online.
We've all had that problem where we see something we want to do, see something we want to download or buy, and we have to go through 4 or 5 steps just to get there. Sign in again, re-download this. If you have the app, it should be seamless and take you right there.
App deep linking is the new frontier for mobile advertising, because you can now create one campaign for both app and web.
App deep linking is really important because it enables you to get traffic that you're driving through your ads and send it into the app deep link automatically when the user has your app installed, which will help you drive better results and more retention for those app users.
Loyal customers download the app, and that in of itself is a very strong signal of what the user preference is. The app purchase journey is very personalized and tailored to the users, where the app saves the preferences of those users.
We are getting a lot smarter with the way that we optimize app deep linking. So we're making an enhancement to our machine learning models this year because we find that if the user has the app installed and is going into an app deep link, it may be possible that that's actually a higher value click. So if an ad goes into an app where the mobile conversion rates are higher, then our smart bidding algorithms will automatically take that into account and bid higher to capture more value for those clicks.
The final piece of this is reporting. So one black hole that we're really currently dealing with as an industry is the reporting and conversion passback issue.
Marketers are underestimating the impact that their campaigns have in driving in-app transactions. It is very important that we check that the pipes between apps and web are properly set up. And this is the way to ensure that every transaction that starts on the web and finishes on the app is correctly attributed to the web campaign that drove that transaction.
In order to understand whether users are being sent to their app deep links or their website or other destinations, advertisers need to integrate with Google Analytics for Firebase so they can accurately measure the performance across app deep link and website surfaces. If they don't do this, then they're sort of flying blind. They don't know how are users interacting with them on these surfaces.
You cannot really be a successful marketer unless you really understand the user journey.
What Google can do is help remove complexity and be the air traffic control for your ads to just take the users to where they want to go.
Clients that have applied deep linking have significantly transformed the way they plan, they measure, and they implement mobile campaign. And I'm super excited to be right in the middle of that action.
Here now are Phil and Lorenzo to simplify mobile app deep linking for developers. Hi guys, welcome to the show.
Hi.
Hi.
All right, I'm going to hit you with a tough question first. App deep linking isn't exactly new in the industry. Like, why is Google doing this now?
Yes, Katie. So consumer today have a very sophisticated journey on mobile, and they go across app and web seamlessly. The reason why we're announcing deep linking today is because we're recognizing that apps play an important role in the consumer journey. And what we want to do here is to maximize mobile results regardless of the surface that the user is ending to.
Totally. I go between apps and mobile sites all the time. And so it also allows marketers to measure that behavior too for the first time in Google Ads. That's awesome. So this all sounds really complicated and hard. How much work is required for marketers to really get this set up?
So all you need to do is go talk to your developer team and ask them if they've set up app links on Android or universal links on iOS. And if they have, then it just works in Google Ads. Deep linking just works.
I thought it was going to be a much longer answer than ask your developers, so that's great.
Yeah.
I'm sure they will. Let's turn to our online audience and see what's on their mind. Very active on Twitter today. Chris Maloney from Forward PMX asks, how do website sales increase when pushing ads to a mobile app? Lorenzo, I'll let you take this one.
Yeah, so actually here is not about website sales. Here's about mobile sales.
Oh, right.
And what we want to do is, maximize mobile sales across app and web. So here we have to start looking at the totality of mobile, not just website.
Right, and it's the measurement, right? So you can see all of this stuff happening and then optimize based off of that. Phil, what business results can advertisers expect to see from applying this deep linking?
More mobile conversions. So by doing this, we've seen on average a 2x increase in the conversion rate for those clicks that go into deep links. So 2x
Really?
is a good number, and so so you're going to
Not
see
bad.
you're going to see good uplift in mobile conversions.
It makes sense because you go to the app, you're logged in, you check out right away.
That's right.
Yeah, that's awesome. One last question. Does Google have plans to enable app deep linking from other product areas beyond just search, display, and shopping? Lorenzo, I'll let you take that.
Yes, we have very aggressive, plans to extend this deep linking capability across all Google Ads products. So, right now we're starting with search, display, and shopping, but you can expect this to be extended to video advertising as well as other inventory sources that we have.
That's awesome. Let me see if we have one last question. Is deep linking the only key to success for web and app marketers? I can't imagine it's the only key to success.
No, I mean, there's many things, but I would say the one other really important thing is measurement.
Right, okay.
Because if you're doing really great inside of your app, but then you never see those results back in whatever tool you're using, then it's almost like it didn't happen, or maybe some other team is measuring it, but you don't know. So measuring those results back to the campaigns that drove them is actually a lot of what we're doing this year with this announcement.
Right, you get to see the whole customer journey on how they got there. Well, thank you guys so much.